In this video, I'm going to go ahead and create an infographic. So let's go ahead and click on create a design, and let's look for the infographic templates. Okay, and I see that's in the marketing section here, so I'm just click on infographic, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a template. So for this example, let's just go ahead with this one here. And it's hard to read, so I'm just going to zoom in. So I'm going to click on here. And I'm going to go to, let's see, 50%. The content on this current template is about how to write effective copy. Let's say I want to create an infographic about losing weight. So let's go edit the content here, and just letting you know, I'm not a weight loss or fitness expert, so I might even just make up some information as I create this infographic, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So at the very top here, it says the art. I can't even read that, so I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. Any City Writers Club presents. So I'm just going to type in weight loss tips. And let's just take a look here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, or 5 facts, or 5 tips on this infographic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 5 weight loss tips on here. So I'm just going to write down top 5 weight loss methods. There are 5 ways to lose weight. Okay, so number 1, here it says use simple everyday words. That's for the current template. Let's just say exercise. Okay, and for the description, walking once a day. Now, preferably, you should have your content already written and prepared in advance before you create the infographic. But for this video, I'm just going to be winging it, so it's not going to be as fast as if I actually prepared the content ahead of time. But let me just quickly go through this because I don't want to bore you. So, step 2, reduce calories. And you know what? For now, I'm just going to leave the description here. You already understand how it works. Step 3, intermittent fasting. Step 4, yoga. And step 5, eat less junk food. Another reason I'm just going to skip these descriptions is to save time. Now you could change the images on here, so let's click on this and let's delete this, and we could go to elements, or actually let's go to photos. Let's go to food. Okay, and let's drag this down. And compiled by John Doe, and you put your sources here. Okay, and there you go. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And if you're happy with what you have here, you just go up here and click on download.